All right, okay. Welcome to this lesson with Teacher Kamanga. We are trying to look through the periodic table. Okay, so we have the grid of a periodic table in our question as shown. Okay, so this one is a question that was extracted from a past paper for 2020 science, section B, question number 3. All right, so in our question here, we are saying the grid below represents part of the periodic table. Study it and answer the questions using the letters. The letters are not the actual symbol of the element. So the instruction is very clear. As we are answering this question, we need to be using the letters, despite of you knowing the element which you are being asked for. So we need to use the letters. Okay. So A is saying an element V has atomic number 7. Indicate the position of the V on the grid. Okay, indicate the position of the V on the grid. So this one, since it has atomic number 7, meaning that its electron configuration it will be 2, 5. Okay, 2, 5. So this also indicates that it is going to have about 2 shells. So we know the relationship between the shells and also the period. This indicates that it should be in period 2, and we are saying that the period 2 it is this one. Okay, so we need to understand. Then the number of the outermost shell indicates the group in which it is supposed to fall in. So this one it is in group 5. So we are just going to count the number of groups. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have seen that it's in group 5. Okay, so the period 2, group 5. Okay, that's where it's going to be, just there. Okay, after the U. Okay, so I hope we are clear there. The statement is clear and straightforward. All right, let's proceed. We are saying B, explain why the atomic radius of E is bigger than that of R. Okay, so our explanation in this case, we just need to understand to say, has the nuclear number or the nuclear charge of an element increases, also that will also increase the tendency of that particular electron to be close to the nucleus. So our explanation in this case will be explain why E is bigger. Explain why the atomic radii of E is bigger than that of R. So our explanation in this case is because as the nuclear charge increases, the electrons are strongly attracted to the nucleus. So that is the reason why E has a bigger atomic radii number than R. Okay, so I've said as the nuclear charge increases, the electrons are strongly attracted to the nucleus. Okay, that is very, very clear. Let's come to C. We are saying which element has the highest tendency to gain electrons? Which element has the highest tendency to gain electrons? So the one with the highest tendency to gain electrons is element R. Okay, R is the one that has the highest tendency to gain electrons. Okay, let's go to D. We're saying select the most reactive metal. Okay, so these are the metals that we are seeing, and also their reactivity series, it increases down the group. Okay, so if we say down the group, meaning that the last one here, it is the strongest metal. Okay, so our answer is going to be C. Okay, C is going to be our answer. All right, let's go to the last one. We're saying write a formula of a compound formed when B reacts with E. So B, it is this one. This is a metal, reacts with E there. Okay, so we understand this one loses electrons, then that one gains. So we have B plus E. Okay, we need to understand this. So what happens is that the valence combination, also it is going to combine. This one has a valence of 2, this one has a valence of 1. So as they are reacting, what will happen is that they are going to exchange valences. So what we're going to have, B2E. Okay, this is going to be the formula of the compound that is going to be formed after the reaction between B and E. Okay, so this is how we're going to answer this kind of a question, and any other questions that relates to this, we just need to be able to know how to apply the same information that we've just discussed. Okay, this has been Teacher Kamanga. don't forget to prepare for your exams that are coming.